Standard First, English Medium. Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 6. Find the difference. Friends, would you love to play? Right. Everybody loves to play. When you go to playground, you see so many things around you, like birds, butterflies, trees. On the ground, you enjoy the playing different toys with your friends. When you started to compare your toys with your friends' toys, you see difference between colors, shapes, and sizes of these toys. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn how to find differences between two pictures. So students, open your book and observe these two pictures. Let's find out the differences. 1. In the first picture, boy is kicking the ball. But in the second picture, we can see the girl is kicking the ball. 2. We can see that in the first picture, 2 birds are flying in the sky. But in the second picture, we can see 4 birds are flying in the sky. 3. In the first picture, butterfly is flying above the ball. In the second picture, butterfly is flying near the ball. 4. In the first picture, there is a flower in the bushes. But in the second picture, there is no flower, right? So friends, did you have a fun finding differences in these pictures? Tell me, how many other differences can we find?